Let's learn how Zentral focus breathing works. During onboarding, Zentral will guide you through your initial breathing exercise before you commence your first focus session. After your first use of Zentral, your breathing exercises can be found on the dashboard under the section titled Focus Breathing. This is the point where Zentral interacts with you, asking about your current emotional state to tailor the most suitable breathwork exercise or meditation technique for you. This is done to help you become grounded and focused. For instance, if you're feeling somewhat anxious today, you can choose the A bit anxious option. Upon selecting this, Zentral will guide you through a personalized breathing exercise specifically designed to alleviate anxiety. You have the option to either listen to the audio instructions in the background or follow the on-screen instructions. As you progress through the exercise, you'll notice a square in the middle of the screen that reflects the breathing cadence you follow for the exercise. When you're holding your breath, the square remains static. As you exhale, it contracts. And as you inhale, it expands. Now, enjoy your focus session.